Hi guys, and welcome back to airdrops.com. In today's video, we've got the Tangem 3-card wallet, the crypto hardware wallet that doesn't need a screen, a battery, charging cables, or even a seed phrase. I'm going to show you what's in the box, how it works, and how to set it up from scratch in under 10 minutes. Now, let's get into it. This is not financial advice, always do your own research. I'll admit it, this is unusual, a wallet that doesn't need a seed phrase. It's what got me curious on Tangem, and I can't wait to see what's actually in here and how this works. Now, Tangem offers a 2-card option too, but I personally went for the 3-card setup because I wanted to get an extra backup and a bit more peace of mind. The 2-card version is priced at $54.90, while the 3-card version is $69.90. But if you use my promo code airdrops10, you can get the 3-card set, this here, for $50. That's just $5 more for an extra card. So for me, that's a no-brainer, really. Without further ado, let's rip this thing open now. See, the packaging goes out the way, like so. And now we have just the box. The packaging actually is pretty clean and minimal, which I personally like because it feels simple and premium and straightforward also. Let's see what's inside the box. All right, there it is. There are the 3 separate cards. That's 1 and 2 and 3. It's like a deck of cards, the old Yu-Gi-Oh style. Okay, then we also have the getting started guide, and we'll be following this closely in a moment's time. For the time being, I'll just put these aside and let's see what this is about. The important thing here is that these cards are actually your wallet. 1, 2, 3. That's the core feature here. The cards replace the traditional seed phrase vulnerability. The private keys never leave the chip within any one of these cards, and you recover access by using any 2 of the 3 when you have them together. If you want an extra layer, Tangem also lets you generate a 12 or 24 word seed phrase during the setup for additional recovery options. This is where the setup is a little different from a traditional hardware wallet. There's no paper seed phrase you need to write down right away because the wallet is designed to work through these cards. That said, if you want, Tangem also gives you the option, as I mentioned, to add a seed phrase backup as well. So you can keep it simple with the cards or go with the extra seed phrase option if that's more of your thing. See, that's one of the reasons I like this 3-card version. You get a clean setup, an extra backup, and a lot of flexibility depending on how you want to manage your wallet. Here are the 3 cards themselves. Again, they look like what? Regular cards, right? Regular credit cards. But each one is part of the same secure wallet setup. I really like the idea of having 3 cards because it gives you 1 main card, for example this one, and then 2 backups. That's especially useful if you travel, if you keep 1 card in a different place, or just want extra redundancy. Now, why 3 cards, you may ask? A lot of people actually wonder this. Why not just buy the 2-card version? The answer is pretty simple. You can, but the 3-card version is the safer and more practical choice for most users. With these 3 cards, if one gets lost or damaged, you still have more flexibility. It's just a better long-term setup, in my opinion, and it's for people who want convenience without giving up security. And see, that's really the point with Tangem. It's meant to make crypto storage easier without making it feel weak or complicated. Hence, these cards here, right in front of me. But enough talking, let's set these up now. Let's check out the guide, the setting up guide, and it says step number 1 is to download the Tangem app. Well, I'm using iPhone, so I've already downloaded the application from the App Store. You can also download it from the Google Play Store. Let's go, and hit it. So initially you have some terms of service. All right, read these thoroughly, or not as much if you like, and then hit the accept button. Do you want to receive the push notifications? It's going to ask you. Personally, I prefer to receive these notifications to be alert whenever I receive a transaction or if an attempt is being made for me to make a transaction. So I'm going to allow these. So the app now is going to guide you step by step. So do not rush it. The most important thing, remember, is to take your time and make sure that you're scanning the right card when it asks you to do that. One thing to note is this whole thing uses NFC technology. So make sure that your phone is compatible. Okay, let's continue with the application. Let's hit the Get Started button, and then I will choose Scan Card or Ring. Let's go with this. Ready to scan. Okay, I'll take the first card now, and I'll be scanning it. Just hold it close to your phone, like so, and it takes very quickly, just a second or so, to create the wallet. Now, it says generate the keys privately. Your keys will be securely generated inside the chip. There is no seed phrase, which means nobody can export or steal it. Again, emphasizing the fact that no seed phrase will be generated. You don't have to write anything down. Okay, I will create the wallet now by pressing the button. Okay, to create the wallet, tap the card as shown above and do not remove it until the end of the operation. All right, now we've generated the wallet. This is the main card, but it says no backup devices. To start the backup process, add up to 2 backup cards. We have them here, or a ring teaser. The ring is coming in the next video. But for now, let's see. I'm going to add 1 backup. Like so. I'm going to put it close to the phone. And waiting for a bit. Ready to scan. It's check. Okay. It says 1 backup device added. Great. We're going on course now. And finally, I'll add my 3rd card here. Like so. Tapping it closely to the phone, and simple as that. We have the 3 cards already set up, 1 main and 2 backups. It's great. So I'm going to tap the finalize backup button. All right, what do we have here? Create access code. This is your PIN code. So it's like a little bit of a password. If someone steals one of your physical cards, they cannot access your funds without this code. The smart chip has built-in brute force protection, so if someone tries guessing the code, guess what? The chip intentionally slows down the attempt, making it mathematically impossible to hack. Once you choose the passcode, it will ask you to scan the cards again. Let's go and create the PIN code now. Okay, I'm going to go with something very simple here. For the purposes, again, of this video tutorial, I do not recommend that you go for a simple PIN code yourself. And let's see, I'm going to scan the primary card. Remember, the one that I scanned initially. Okay, let's go. It takes 15 seconds to validate this operation. This is standard. This is the way it's meant to be, the way it was set up. And it says to ensure security, please hold the card until the operation is complete. That's exactly what we're doing. Okay, 3 more seconds, 2, 1, ready for liftoff. Okay, let's go. It's done. Now it's good. Okay, time to verify the PIN code with the first backup card now. And I'm going to tap it close to the phone. It says ready to scan. Okay, we're good. And now to verify the PIN code with the second card, the second backup card, another 15 seconds on the clock. And here's an important point. Do not keep all 3 cards in the exact same place, because that defeats the purpose of having backups, right? A smart setup is to keep 1 card with you, 3, 2, 1 here on the clock, and then to keep 1 at your home location and 1 somewhere else extra safe as a backup. Okay, this here is done. The whole process is complete. It says, would you like to use Face ID? In my case, I'm gonna go for Face ID. Sure, let's make it as easy as possible. That's done. Now we're at the tokens page, but just a quick word more on the security. When I tap to create the wallet and scan the first card, see, the secure element chip inside the card used a true random number generator to create the private key. And that key is generated inside the card, and it never leaves this card. Not even Tangem knows your key. Not even you know it, for good or bad. And this really eliminates the risk of someone finding a paper seed phrase in your house and even stealing your funds there. Here, as you can see, we have only Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yeah, that's good. The rest of the coins are in dark gray, but I can choose to allow them. So, for example, Tether. I'm going to go with Ethereum ERC20, and boom, let's add it successfully. Your wallet is configured and ready to use. And this is the way to add more and more crypto coins into your Tangem wallet. So that's about it. Continuing to the wallet, and it's fresh and nice and clean. And now what's left is to put some money in it. And now that we're done with the setup, I think it makes sense to give you my top 5 aspects why this wallet genuinely stands out in the market. One is the security. The EAL6 Plus certified secure element chip uses the same standard as a biometric passport. Private key never leaves the chip. Not even Tangem can access it, remember? And second, the simplicity. You saw it yourself. The setup took me just a few short minutes, and you don't even need any technical knowledge for it. The app is clean and beginner friendly as well. And the third aspect is portability. It's got, see, credit card size. No battery, no charging. It just lives in your wallet. The fourth is durability. It's IP69K waterproof, extreme temperature resistant, and has a 25-year lifespan rating. So if we still have crypto in 25 years, this thing is going to keep it safe. And finally, the fifth aspect is the value. The 3-card set is around $50 with our code airdrops10, and for that price, you're getting 3 hardware wallets in one with a backup system built right in. And that's everything, guys. It's unboxed, explained, and fully set up, just like these 3 cards. The Tangem 3-card wallet is genuinely one of the simplest ways to get your crypto off exchanges, risky, and into cold storage, much safer. Whether you're brand new to crypto or you've been in the space for years, the combination of security, backup redundancy, and ease of use is hard to beat. Now, if you want to pick one up, I've left the link in the description below, so check it out. And of course, if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the airdrops.com channel, and expect more in the weeks to come. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.